I'm zoomed in. Hello.
Hey guys. Game Lovers here.
Hello. I'm in pain. I got a tattoo, just in case you're wondering.
Yeah.
So today we are doing a slight, unboxing type thing?
About an unboxing, or unpacking basically.
An unpacking?
An unpacking, yeah.
Basically.
It's part of the video which will be before this, a Dead Island unboxing, so this is part of it as well. So, Sarah, do you want? So, I went down to Tesco the other night, and this is going to be a Tsum's edition unpacking, basically.
Pretty much.
So
I opened one already.
She opened one already because it was on an uneven number. So we got Iron Spider.
He comes out.
So there he is there without the spider tentacles. So we're gonna get this started.
Who is it? Oh no, there's a pocket falling out. Hey!
So,
my guy!
Yeah, so while Sarah opens that, I'm going to open another pack.
So this one is Hawkeye!
And she was only just talking about this down in the cafe that we were
in. We had to stop off somewhere so I could get something to eat. So let me just slide him in. Ta-da! Little Hawkeye! And of course he comes like out of it as well. The little Hawkeye! That's so cute! Put you down, little Hawkeye.
So that was Hawkeye. This is another one, and we were also talking about this.
Hey, Doctor Strange! Okay guys, the next one is Doctor Strange. Let's try and find somewhere to put all these now.
Oh, we'll put it up on that or something.
Yeah. I do have other ones. They're over my dressing table. I got them for my birthday last year. Off Graeme.
We'll show you in the next haul, basically.
How does this one work?
Yeah, I know how this works.
Oh. Does it go on top of one? I can't remember. Yeah, it comes on top. So this is meant to just sit there on top. I doubt it would. Cool. Ooh! That's what it's meant to be.
It's pretty cool. It's one of his teleportation things. Here, so the next one, we weren't actually talking about this one, so this is a random one.
Oh, Red Skull.
Red Skull.
Woo! What did I drop? Oh, the book. Just a book, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah, it's just a book.
Just a book? Okay. Thought I dropped a piece of it. Red Skull.
Uh-oh.
Did we get the double already?
We've already got a double.
Oh no. Is it a double of Iron Spider?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh hey look. You can fit two tiny Red Skulls in it.
Yeah. It's really cool.
There's a little Red Skull. And a Hell Hydra. Okay, I won't physically put this in together. There's no point, but we got another Iron Spider, which is currently stuck in the bag. What, that another Iron Spider?
No, the double of what we just got.
Which one? Okay, so that's a double Doctor Strange as well.
We got a Spider-Man each and
Doctor Strange each, apparently.
So I'm going to open the mystery, the High series one now.
This is series 5, they were series 2.
So
I didn't actually look to see you could get in series 5. And who I wanted. There's a different Spider-Man.
Ooh, wait, got a good one here. Okay. You want it? So I'm guessing this character here is called Silk. It's a spider character.
Is it Silk, is it?
Yeah, it's a Silk character.
Okay. Was it going to be like female Spider-Man meets Flash?
I think so, or something. Okay, I don't know who that is. Okay, show the people.
Show the people. What way? Oh, I presume she sits on top this way. Nope.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, it's one.
One of them.
Yeah, no, she sits on the left. Well, yeah, that's a Silk character.
And she sits kind of like that on it.
Mhm.
She's cool.
This one, I believe, it's on the Daredevil franchise.
Oh, Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Okay.
Ooh, I like this next one.
Punisher?
Yeah.
I
Guys,
guess.
can't even show you.
I looked at the packet here.
Huh?
I looked at the packet in front of me.
I'll be getting this guy, you be getting Silk.
Hey, Punisher. These are mine, not yours.
I paid half 5.
These are mine. How does this go in? If that goes like that.
Goes like that, yeah. Just
Oh. Sorry, okay, I get it now. So it goes like that. Does it?
no, it's side.
It won't go sideways. Doesn't go in sideways. Goes in that way. I'll go that way though.
Sure.
Oh, I think I have this in wrong. No, I don't have that in wrong. Cause that makes.
Here, you show that, I'll show this.
You dropped the playing card. You know me? Oh, I think I know what to do. Can I take this back out? No. I might have to get that stuck in there.
We'll sort of do it after the video. Sorry guys, there was just a mishap of putting something together. But anyway,
Punisher!
shows up close up, and there's the old skull. So yeah,
Punisher, and there's his skull.
you put him on top, and
Yeah, he's meant to like, just sit there like that.
that's pretty cool, huh?
That's awesome.
So yeah, and no, this was a short video. We will be doing more unboxing and all. Hopefully, if these are on offer still by next week, we'll probably get a few more. Sarah's still on pain. She's after getting a tattoo, guys. But anyway,
Oh, I felt glue drip down it.
nasty.
Sorry.
Anyway, guys. Yeah. So this has been we're just gonna call it an unboxing of Tsums. So hope you enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends.
Comment down below if you have any ideas of what videos you want us to do.
Or any unboxings.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.